Hello guys, my name is Diocos and welcome back to another Python MySQL revision quiz video. And today we're going to be doing is some adding some return to menus, some stuff like this, and some other stuff like we haven't finished the add question. That needs to get all tablefyed. It's the process of adding tables. It's a brand new word. So we need to add some lovely main menus, or return to main menus, I should really say. So let's take a look at over here. We've got, so if we go to 3, we've got over here 5 return to main menu. Now if we go to edit question, we get is this. We get a question number. That's it. It just prompts us to ask a question, but let's say you want to go back. You may wish to go back or something like that. Should be allowed to go back, right? You should. Though if you type in back or anything, it doesn't take you to the back, so you should really check that out. But see, the issue is, if you type in a string, it's gonna say it's not literal or whatever. So what if you type in 0? How about that? What if you type in 0? What happens? I bet it goes to -1. If you type in 0. Question editor. So. Interesting. I typed in 0. It just taught me this, but it didn't go to any of this. Really? It's supposed to, right? It's displaying me everything. Hold on. Was it some mistake I made in the previous video? It could have been a mistake I was trying to resolve in the previous video. 4. Yeah, it's a mistake that I did in the previous video. Why are you showing me all this? It shouldn't be showing me all this. Hold on, I told it to get the thing wrong. Yes, I wanted to display this. So what? When I create this. Editing questions table. There we go. Now let's try that. What happens if I type in 0? It goes to the last one. We have an issue. Right? We have an issue. To think how am I going to proceed with this. Because if you type in like 9, oh, how many questions are there? Are they in order? Yeah, I need to really solve that issue, so I've not yet solved that issue. Oh, I guess it does. 18. You get this, list index our range. Well, we could just put over here some checks over here on check the question ID. So if question ID is greater than 0 and question ID is less than the plus the length of the all questions. Then do that. But the issues with the question ID is they've put it as minus straight away, haven't they? Yeah, it gets minus straight away. But it must be greater than 0. Okay, but I've put it as must be greater than 0. So let's see what happens if I now go 3, go 2, and put 0. I get put straight back onto there. Okay, that's fine. I'm absolutely fine by that. That's not valid input. I prefer to go to the old place, but it doesn't let me, apparently. Unless I could set the menu, so I could force it and set it. Could I then say else? If you fail to do this, then else menu choice equals 1. That's what happens when I do that. As if I could. If I didn't work too fast. Oh, F off if I can't connect. Hope the database not working today. Right. 3, 2, 0. Goes back to this. What if I set it to 3? Well, that. What if I set it to 3? The data's going to do anything. Yeah, it goes back to this, as I thought. That is unless I actually force it to go to that is unless if I force it to go to the question manager again. I think. If I do this, what happens? It goes back to this. And if I do 2, yeah, doesn't work. I knew it would. Oh, I knew it would do something like that. Okay, it's fine. It goes back to the menu. That's absolutely fine. It does that. I don't actually have any trouble with doing that because it's not that far to get back anyway. So it's fine. Yes, this should also apply to the thingy. Where do I ask for the question? I'll ask over here. Number 3. I'll ask it down over here. Well, it's going to be the same thing, you know. If then remove question. Only if. No point on going off to go check it. Yeah, there's no point. Yeah. So if I say 0, there's no point in you going off to check it. Just go back. I could say that's not a valid option. Returning back to main menu. I could say that. Error. A valid option. Returning back to main menu. Don't know if I want to capitalize main menu. Just so it uses away. Return back to my menu. We'll just put it here time.sleep. Time.sleep. Oh, 1.5 seconds. Frame, go. Error not valid option, return back to main menu. Good. Guess that works. What else do we got? So if we do free, go on import, what do we get? We get this, so I can just cancel it. You're not selected a file, okay. It goes back to the menu, that's fine. Okay. Okay, we'll discuss the add question back after I've done all of that, after I've actually, I did everything for that. Play quiz. Oh, right, we've got an issue with the play quiz. Great. Gotta fix that, apparently. And, what else do we have here? I guess that's it, isn't it? The leaderboard, that shows us the leaderboard. There's also the option. What if you insert as blank? What if you don't do any? What if you don't put as any insert? What happens? Does it go to the else? Oh my god! It's like whenever I get incorrect, apparently I can't actually. Yeah, I think there's an issue when I get incorrect. It's like it can't connect back to the database. It's very cool. Coincidence like that. Not. I got incorrect the first time, so now. Yeah, I think there's an issue with that logic, and that needs to get resolved. Unfortunately. Right, that's not what I wanted, is it? Is it? What do I want to check in? Yes, what if I put nothing? Nothing that's not a valid option, okay. Cool. 3, 2. I got an issue. Okay. Maybe if you put nothing, might want to try and do something like that. You know, like go back to the main menu potentially. So yeah, or put it as 0, or just assign it as 0. If you put nothing, put it as 0 then. That's true. I could just do that, couldn't I? If you put nothing, just put it as 0. That's true. I could just do that, and then it'll be like, okay, whatever else. That worked. But it's the main. This adding questions is what we want to do. That's what we want to do. Let's look at the add questions. Because currently it's just like this. And that's of course no good. It's no good. So what we want to do, first things we may wish to do is display a menu. Also we probably want to create a table, but not now. Later. Although we may wish to create a table, but with no data inside it, leave us empty. And then as you input data, it'll add on. So that'll be quite cool. Okay. What am I doing? Just keep on going up. That's not what I want to do. I'm going to come over here, option 1. There we go. Adding question. Adding a question. Adding a question. Oh, something got cleared. It's because I'm running this, isn't it? Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Boom. Adding a question. And then it just goes away. So anyway, so we probably want to create a table, as I was saying. create empty question table. That just consists of nothing. Then just call it as a new question table. Well, we probably just thinking. We could either call it the create empty question table, or we could just bring a bunch of different functions in it and do it ourselves. But let's create this function. We're going to create this function over here. We should do a similar thing to the create all questions table. Similar. Not the same, but similar. So we're going to do anything, but it's going to return over here a table. Now, where's that table that I created beforehand? I created a table before, which was for the for editing. One of the editing tables. Not the all questions, the create specific question table. But yeah, we're going to have something similar to this essentially. Key and some data. Of course, over here the data will be nothing. Again, I could probably be able to create function. Probably could have is these two functions merged into one and make it a bit more efficient. But now we're just going to leave it. If it works, don't fix it. If it's not broke, don't fix it. No, it's just going to contain nothing, of course, because we've got nothing. And as you populate it, it will then we're going to display that, of course. Come down over here, we go over here, 1, here, 1. Display menu, we'll go over here, just create a table, and then what we're going to do is we're going to say display, display table centered, and what we're going to do is make a new question table. It's over here, 3, 1. Oh, that one very quickly. Here where it goes, it just goes very quickly. Question. There we go, we get something like this. Here's where we're going to insert some data. Yeah, so what we're going to do over here is we're going to say on the display add question. We're going to do a couple of things here. I'm going to make a couple of changes to this. So firstly, let me just come back down. Let me just come over here and say, hold on. Let me just come over here and say, say print. Let's get rid of that info. I'm going to replace that with a print. So we've got space. So we get left some space. I'm going to say here, input data. Input data, if you prefer. There's going to be an array. Yes, there will be an array, and these will be the keys. I'm going to call these keys. And what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to say here, call these keys, and over here, I'm just going to say over here on the display add question. Copy. Question. I'm just going to say over here. Goes over here. Goes over here. This could be new. Again, once again, I'm gonna do this, even though it's not necessary. I'm gonna redo that again. Goes over here is question. This is gonna be an array. I love those arrays, don't I? Name. B. C. D. And correct option. So, with that one, what I'm also going to do is I'm also actually going to put here. Here's the X, and you're going to see why I'm going to put X in a moment. You'll see why I put X. In just a moment. Do I have to go much? No. Leave it all out. No worries. What we'll save here is we'll save here for X in range of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say 6. I think it's 7 you're going to have to say actually. So, I forget 7 I have to say, because I think, yeah, I think it's 7. I have to say in a for loop. It's quite an interesting way of doing this. We'll then say here, inputted data as input. And then let's get rid of that return. We're not returning anything. Inputted data equals input, and we're just going to say here keys. And we're going to put X. Okay, comma X. What we're also going to do is we're also going to do another thing. What we are also going to do is we're also going to and I'm going to move this actually. Now that we're doing this like this, I'm going to actually move this over here. You'll see why in a moment. If I then just get rid of all this, here's the inputted data, and then I'm also going to add that is to that row. So if I also get passed over here another value, and that will be not that one. If I also get passed over here the new questions table, if I always get past this as well, and I just treat this as just table, call this over here, table, dot add, row, and I'll add over here a row of, add over here the row, keys, X, well, not exactly keys X, is it? I have to get rid of two things. We're going to have to get rid of the colon and the space, actually. Hold on. What do we? Yes, we would do. Because of how the row works, yeah, we'll have to get rid of two things. Off of the keys X, we're going to have to get rid of the... So we're going to have to say over here, keys X dot replace, and we're going to have to replace over here the space with nothing. So the old with the new, and there's a count as well if you want to use that. But yes, we're going to do that like that. And we also want is then the actually inputted data. And then once that's all done, that would then once that is all done, I think what we'll do is we then do is one last One second of question. All didn't exactly go to plan. Let's see what went wrong over here. Something went wrong. Display. Oh, the display out question clear stuff. Go. Get rid of that. We don't want to clear anything. It's not it. Hold on. Trying to find where. Here we are. Query and question. Boom. So question. Hello. Oh, this is interesting because it's already added the rows for us. Oh yeah. I forgot I added the rows already. That means I can just get it, can't I? I can just get it as well. Oh yeah, I can just get it instead. I can just come in. Is it get underscore row? Get rows. I can just say, okay, I want to. Okay, that's an easy way of doing it. But I was liking the way. X. It's X. X. But I was liking my way. It was quite an interesting way of doing it. Input your data. Totally forgot that we've already actually done that. Can't assign a function call. What? What? I've done this before, haven't I? Or is it rows? Table dot. Aha! It's table dot rows. Was that a function? Or, no. So it's table dot rows. Must be. Rows. Yeah, it was this one. That was the one that I used. Run anyway. Oh, serious. Oh, actually serious. It's not a function, is it? I've used this one. I've used one of these. I know I have. That gives me the length. But haven't I used one to say all row? That adds a row. I think it's the length of a row. I swear that I've used it to change a row. I swear down. Table dot row. I swear I've used a row to go. I swear down. Get underscore row. Swear down. I have actually used. I remember making it equal to some string and it worked. I remember that. So I forgot where I used it now. That doesn't work. Sorry, I've done this before. But, oh, hold on. Is it because I have to use table dot rows? Oh, that. I have to use the square brackets. That must be it, right? Please tell me that's it. Please tell me that's it. It's gotta be it. Because it's just a list, isn't it? Hold on. I know what's going on. Because I need to state it. I want first one. No, so I want to say, okay, I want the X. Is it then I want the first one? Not the 0 one. So this gets confused. 3, 1. Yes! Yes! Gosh. D, which I then need to actually capitalise. Just remember to do that. If X, if X is equal to 6, then we say input of data equals input of data dot upper. There we go. Just doing a little check of it. That probably get changed in the future anyway. Right, I'm just changing everything all the time. New question table dot rows, and it's 0, 1. Hello. This is a class. It should be titled up, but it's fine. It's fine for now. This is another test. See. Let me get an issue. What is it out of range? Is it because I'm saying 7 of those? Is it because I'm saying 7? Swear there's an issue with that where it's supposed to be 7. Fine, I'll do 6. I'll do 6 then. Fine, guys, I'll do 6. Because I'm going to have to say 5. No, I'll do 6. Let's see what happens. Oh, is it because it counts from 0? Oh. I heard someone you have to add 1, I swear down to it. I swear I heard that somewhere. Or Python. It might be confusing something else. This is a test. Yes, Python. I think this it's because I keep looking on this. It changes dynamically, which is great. This is great. The correct answer is D. Obviously, this is great. There we go. Boom, got added. Interestingly, okay, but this didn't get changed. X didn't get thingied. Interesting. X didn't get thingied. So does this rule true? An X. Hold on. Just need to check something over here quickly. Free question. 0. I bet you. Yeah, it starts from 0. Yeah, so it needs to be 5. That should now work. So we're just going to end it over here now. And let me just remove these questions before I do so. So, if you guys enjoyed, please press that like button. And if you want to see another video, it's best to actually subscribe to my channel so you can get in your lovely subscription feed and you get a notification. If you press the bell icon, of course. When my next video has gone live, my next video will probably be checking the back to menu stuff as well. stuff like that. Also text formatting as we've done in previous videos. I do want to go and do some localization. I do want to do that. So I might start some foundations on localization. I don't. Whenever I do localization, I don't use any modules. So what you're going to see is you're going to see me using different inbuilt Python data types and such to actually do localizations. I mostly use this dictionaries. I use files and dictionaries to have localization. The reason why I use files and dictionaries is that I save all the localization of files. So that means that if anyone wishes to translate this program into their own language, they'll be able to do so and won't require any hard coding. So let me continue deleting this, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Goodbye.